What's cracking, Lizard Gang? So check it out. Right now I'm walking down Sukhumvit number 4. My hotel's like right there. That's Soi 3, and I came walking all the way to Soi 4. But I'm gonna just check it out during the daytime and see what the difference is between the day and the nighttime. Last night I was here like around, hello, I was here around what, like 12, maybe 1 a.m. and all these streets right here were full, man. But yeah, just walk around with me as I drink myself this 50 baht coffee right here. Look, this thing was only $1.50, $1.60 American dollars. It's crazy, huh? Hello, good morning. No. So yeah, man, I booked this hotel down the street because the one that I had booked like a month ago, that thing was like really far from this spot. So I was like, nah, you know what, I need to be able to be somewhere where I could just go downstairs and get content and then go back up to the hotel and then upload it, you know, because I'm not here for a long time. I'm only here for what, like 10 days, and those 10 days are gonna fly by like that, I know for sure. Look at, there's a lot of trash on the streets, but look at all the foreigners. Excuse me. Oh, so this is where they come and get their coffee. I'm gonna have to come over here and mingle, you know, because I guess that's where all the locals come and get their coffees. Oh look, they have another 7-Eleven. Not right now, thank you. Hello, how's it going? So all this right here, you can walk the street all the way down there, man. And it's just full of massage parlors and all that. And then you got a bunch of bud shops everywhere. Bunch of little hotels too. Hey, one thing about Thailand, bro, it's super humid out here and hot. If you ever been to Miami and you think that's hot and humid, bro, that's nothing compared to here. I purposely came on February because it said that it was supposed to be like a better time to come, and fuck, it's still humid and it's still hot. But you got a bunch of tourists. Look, one thing you're gonna notice is that you have 7-Elevens everywhere, no matter where you're at. Yesterday they had, that was like full right in front of it, full of you know what, but all right there they had their chairs and everything just hanging out. Oh, and right here you gotta like fucking watch out for traffic because they won't stop for you. You gotta make sure nothing's coming and then boom, just take off across the street. Try to be as safe as you can. Yeah, right now there's nothing, dude. Last night it was crazy. I don't know, I might put a couple of clips up so you guys can see it, but I know that YouTube ain't gonna monetize it, so I was like, you know what, let me just go get a coffee real quick and walk down Soi 4. Good morning. Yeah, I met some content creators last night too, like they're from France. One was from France, the other one was from, I forget where he said, but he was an Indian from, I think he was from the UK. Shout out to those guys. They started following me. Oh, it looks like they have some pretty good breakfast right here. Look at that. That looks pretty good. That looks good right there. I might come back and get me some breakfast right there. L7. Yeah, I know some of you vatos are gonna be like, where are all the lady boys at? But hold on, homies. That shit usually happens like 5 p.m. and later than that. But you know, you still have some stragglers. But let me just warm up, homies. It's a trip because everybody kept on saying like, oh, you're gonna see a bunch of, hello, no, not right now. Everybody was saying like, oh yeah, the lady boys, this and that. Like, bro, if you, man, if you don't know the difference, bro, then you just don't want to know the difference. Because yesterday I was walking around spotting like, I'd say about 90% of them, bro. The reason why the other 10% I didn't see was probably because they were just walking away from me, or you know, they were facing the other way. But you can tell right away the facial structure, like the body, they're way taller than the real girls. They look more like masculine. I don't know if that makes any sense. It should. It's real tight now right here. Look at that. Nana 4. Hello. How much is the price? 300? For the shower too?
Yes.
Oh yeah?
For 1 hour. Full body.
Okay. Well, right now I'll be back. I'll be back.
Oh,
No. I come back. Thank you guys. I gotta go. I said the magic word right there. One thing I've noticed is that you have a bunch of Indians out here. A ton of them, dude. They're like all over the place, literally. They're deep. $500, she said. All right, homie. So, you know what? I think this place ends on this side. So I'm probably just gonna. This is just gonna be like a little walking tour, guys. Look at what these guys do. They get like an Uber ride from these vatos on these mopeds. Look, they charge you a little bit less than the regular taxis. They just hop in the back, boom, and let's roll. All right, so hey guys, don't forget to sign up on my locals. I'm gonna put some exclusive content on there. All right, I'm gonna go do some window shopping and stuff like that. I know what you guys want to see. unfortunately, I can't really do much of that on YouTube because they trip. Can you believe that last time I put up a video of this, asking this girl if she wanted a shout out on Instagram, and as she was walking away, I put this little emoji that says fuck, and that was enough to get a strike on my channel. So I'm not even gonna fuck around with YouTube, bro. I'm just gonna put the extra PG stuff on there. If you guys want to see the uncensored stuff, go to my locals, and that's it. Oh, another thing that I noticed out here is that you have a lot of like Africans, and then you have like Lebanese, Russian, like people from all over the countries, like, but not only just as tourists, but they're out here working too. It's a trip. They form little cliques. There was like the Korean clique, the Russian clique, the Lebanese clique. You know, I tripped out last night. I thought it was only Thai, but I guess not. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of walking, dude. All right, homies, that's gonna be it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you vatos enjoy it. And stay tuned on the locals and on the X, because I'm gonna have a lot of content coming. I know this time I only came for 1 week, but next time I come down here it's gonna be a month, bro. I gotta go explore everything.